Hello students. Last lecture we have seen that proof of sine rule and cosine rule. Also we have seen that is a mm, Cartesian coordinates to polar coordinate to Cartesian coordinates. So what is the Cartesian coordinates? That x comma y Cartesian coordinates, r comma theta is a polar coordinates. Also we have seen that is a conversion of polar coordinate to Cartesian coordinates to polar coordinates. So Cartesian coordinates to polar coordinates means if you are given Cartesian coordinates, using the Cartesian coordinates we can find the polar coordinates. That is a r is equal to under root x square plus y square and theta is equal to tan inverse of y upon x. Okay. Also, and what is that is a now Cartesian to polar to Cartesian coordinate. That is a x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. Means here you are given the value of r and theta, then we can find the Cartesian coordinates using the formula x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. In the last lecture we have seen that is a proof of sine rule and cosine rule. Today we will learn examples of sine rule and cosine rule. Sine rule, which is equal to in triangle ABC, a upon sine A is equal to b upon sine B is equal to c upon sine C is equal to 2r, where r is a circumradius of triangle ABC, where small ABC are the sides of the triangle, capital A, capital B, capital C are the angles. Also the cosine rule which is equal to a square is equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a, b square is equal to c square plus a square minus 2ac cos b, c square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab cos c. Sine rule can be written as cosine rule can be written as cos A, which is equal to b square plus c square minus a square upon 2bc. Similarly, cos B, which is equal to b square c square plus a square minus b square upon 2ac. Also cos C, which is equal to a square plus b square minus c square minus 2a minus c square upon 2ab. Now cos A, how to learn this cos A, which is equal to cos A, that is a square, subtract cos b square subtract and c square subtract here. Now the projection rule in triangle ABC, A is equal to B cos C plus C cos B. Second one, that is a B is equal to C cos A plus A cos C. Again here small, also third one, C is equal to A cos B plus B cos A. Now we will see the examples in triangle ABC, which is equal to, if A is equal to 45 degree, B is equal to 60 degree, then find the ratio of its sides. Solution using the property of triangle. We know the property of triangle, that is the sum of the measures of angle which is equal to 180 degree. Therefore using this, sine C is equal to 75 degree, angle C which is equal to 75 degree. uh, we know that sine rule, a upon sine a is equal to b upon sine b is equal to c upon sine c. Putting the value of capital A, capital B, capital C, then we get a sine 45 degree, sine 45 1 upon root 2, b sine upon root 3 by 2, that is sine 60 root 3 by 2, and c which is equal to 75. So 75 will be sine 30 plus 45. Here use sine a plus b. So using this 75 root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. After simplifying, here we get root 2a is equal to 2b upon root 3 is equal to 2 root 2 root 3 plus 1. Therefore ratio which is equal to 2 as to root 6 as to root 3 plus 1. Next example, in triangle ABC, sin B minus C by 2 which is equal to B minus C upon A cos A by 2. In solution, in triangle ABC by sine rule we have A upon sin A which is equal to B upon sin B is equal to C upon sin C is equal to 2R. Small a which is equal to 2R sin A, small b which is equal to 2R sin B, small c is equal to 2R sin C. Now consider LHS, putting the value of ABC, ABC, B minus C upon A is equal to cos A by 2. B is the value of B which is equal to 2R sin B minus 2R sin C upon 2R sin A into cos A by 2. 2R common, we get sin B minus sin C into upon sin A into cos A by 2. Here we use sin C minus sin D. The formula for sin C minus sin D, that is a 2 sin B minus C by 2 cos B plus C by 2 sin A cos A by 2. So here use the formula that we know that A plus B plus C is equal to pi, therefore B plus C minus pi minus A. Then we get the value of b plus c by 2 cos b plus c by 2 which is equal to sin a by 2. So putting the value we get sin a cancel, therefore we get sin b minus c by 2. Therefore substituting RHS which is equal to 2 sin b minus c by 2 sin a by 2 sin a, then sin a cancel, therefore we get finally that is a sin b minus c by 2. Next example, with usual notation prove that 2 into a sin square c by 2 plus a sin square a by 2 is equal to a minus b plus c. Consider LHS, 2a sin square c by 2 plus a sin square a by 2. Here we use the formula for sin square c by 2 which is equal to 1 minus cos c by 2 uh, 1 min and sin square a by 2 1 minus cos a upon 2. Therefore 2 into a 1 minus cos c by 2 plus c 1 minus cos a by 2. A minus a cos c plus c minus c cos a plus c minus a cos c plus c cos a. Here use projection rule for second bracket a plus c as it is and the value of second bracket using projection rule which is equal to b. Therefore we get a plus c minus b which is equal to RHS. Next example, with usual notation prove that 2 into BC cos A plus AC cos B plus AB cos C which is equal to a square plus b square plus c square. Solution. Here consider LHS. 2bc cos a plus 2ac cos b plus 2ab cos c. Here putting the value of cos a, cos b and cos c using cosine rule. Therefore we get 2bc b square plus c square minus a square, 2bc 2ac c square plus a square minus b square upon 2ab plus 2ac plus 2ab a square plus b square minus c square 2ab. Simplify this, so we get b square plus c square minus a square plus a square plus c square minus b square, a square minus b square minus c square. So finally we get a square plus b square plus c square. Next example, a triangle ABC, a cube sin b minus c plus b cube sin c minus a plus c cube sin a minus b is equal to 0. Consider LHS here again. A cube sin b minus c is equal to a cube sin b cos c minus cos b sin c. A cube, putting the value of sin b, 2rb cos c, putting the value of sin c, c 2rc cos b. Here we use sine rule. 2ra square, 2r common, ab cos c minus ac cos b is equal to 2r a square, ab putting the value of cos c and cos b. Therefore we get a square plus b square minus c square minus a square minus c square plus b square is equal to ra square 2b square minus 2c square. So finally we get 2ra square in the bracket b square minus c square. Similarly we can prove b cube sin c minus a is equal to 2r b square c square minus a square, and c cube sin a minus b is equal to 2r c cube c square in the bracket a square minus b square. Putting all values in the LHS, so we get finally